consultations between the county government and the national leadership. That is with consultation with President William Ruto, consultation with the Deputy President, H.E. Rigathi Gachagua, and with consultation with the family behind me. We have agreed that Muthoni Kirima will be buried on the 22nd of this month. We will hold her last requiem mass and the funeral service in Kenunga Sports Stadium, and then we will take her for burial at Ihua, which is her home and her ancestral home. She had already shown us where she wanted to be buried, and she will be buried there. One of the reasons we have taken that long is that the family and also the Deputy President expressed the need and the will to be attending that funeral. And you are all aware that the Deputy President has left the country for Colombia, and he will be away until next week on Monday. We also have the President who is leaving tomorrow for the United Nations General Assembly in New York. So the two of them will not be in this country, and therefore the family felt that they wanted their presence, and that is why we have decided that the funeral shall be held on the 22nd of September. This funeral shall be a collaboration between the national government, between the county government and the family.